In this video, I will talk about layers panel options. As you can see, I have a lot of layers and I am making the layers panel the only big panel here, and everything else is collapsed. That's because the layers panel is the most used panel in Photoshop. However, you can make some changes in layer panel options to save more space and of course more time. Just click right there and open panel options. I can reduce the size of the layer or maybe make it none to save more space. Again, and I can untick expand new effects. Let me just explain what it is. When you double click to make layer style, something like that, and click OK, it will be expanded, and most of the time you will click this arrow to collapse it. So you can save your time by going to panel options and untick expand new effects. Now when you double click to make any layer effect, it will be automatically collapsed.